Hello everyone, I am Tanushree Choudhury, Department of Business Administration, first year, second semester, Shahjalar University of Science and Technology, Sylhet. Now I am going to talk about two assigned topics. Number 1, some steps to overcome ethnocentrism and stereotyping barriers, and number 2, enumeration some suggestions for writing clearly in a multilingual business environment. At first, we need to know about what is ethnocentrism. So, let's see some example. Suppose some foreigner come to visit our country, Bangladesh. As they are foreigner, they have some different culture, dress sense and others. But what will we do? We judging them according to their foods, outfits, etc. And we also criticize them for their language, cause we expect that they will speak Bengali, and it's called ethnocentrism. Basically, ethnocentrism is thinking one's own group's ways are superior to others, which is showed by picture in this slide. It also creates us versus them mentality. Now we need to know about what is stereotype. Let's see the picture insert in this slide. One picture which shows girls like cinema, nail polish, ice cream, garden and makeup kits, etc. It also shows that boys like money, video games, car, mobile, etc. And look, second picture shows that when problem occurs, girls are beaten by others social being, and it happens maximum time. Like when rape occurs, if victim was woman, maximum time she was blamed rather than rapist, and it also called stereotyped. Stereotype is a set idea that people have about what someone or something is like, especially an idea that is wrong, and it can form easily in our mind. It can be conscious or unconscious. Now let's see how can we overcome ethnocentric and stereotyped barriers. Number 1, promote open communication. Open communication is the only way that overcome the barriers of ethnocentrism and stereotyped. In a business, there are some teamwork. If team members or employees' problems are creating with me, I shall listen closely to what they have to say and try to find a good solution. Number 2, develop empathy for others. It's a way to combat barriers. It's need to educate ourselves about different culture and groups. It's important and continue to be self-assessment about our stereotype and ethnocentrism and how they are potentially interfering with our interactions. Number 3, avoid giving or taking offense. Change will take time and effort. Everyone makes mistakes and may need multiple times to alter their behavior. If we are aware that the comments we are about to make may be offensive, take a moment to determine another way to say it or frame the comment. Number 4, embrace the cultural differences. Diversity in a workforce is a good thing when it managed well. It's very important to focus on how cultural diversity creates a well-rounded team that can be better meet overall business goals. Now I am going to talk about my second assigned topic, some suggestions for writing clearly in multilingual business environment. Business language skills are critical needs in this modern era of globalization. An employee that has competency in business language skills is likely to be able to climb up the career with ease. Poor communications as a result of inadequate business language skill can create misunderstanding. So it's important to improving business language skill to be a succeed manager or worker in business. There are some suggestions that helps to write clearly a multilingual business environment. Number 1. Increase vocabulary. Improving vocabulary is key point in mastering the specialized word used in business language. We can easily increase our vocabulary through training software that offers a comprehensive range of exercises. Learning commonly used business idioms and abbreviations can also enhance vocabulary. Even we can do research on the internet in order to find the terminology. It's important to boost up language skill. Number 2. Business language training. If we are looking for a quick way to improve our business language skill, consider signing up for a language training course. These courses can be intensive or simplify, provides a few tips on how to communicate more effectively in business situation. So we can learn about things like listening skills, reading book language, and how to speak clearly and concisely. Number 3. Read business related material. We can significantly enhance our vocabulary by reading a wide variety of material related to our field or business. Reading business information and current updates will also help us to improve skills. This knowledge can prove to be essential when we are communicating with third parties or working on customer contracts. Number 4. Play games. We can even learn business language by playing games like crosswords and word search game. These games can allow to enhance our vocabulary while ensuring that the learning process is fun and engaging. Business-themed language games include crosswords based on financial terms and important concepts, or word search games using terminology from banking or industry. Number 5. Watch business-oriented programs. Watching programs that focus on business is an excellent way to improve language skills, because the people in those programs will be using key terms frequently and correctly. These programs are often hosted by experts in the field and therefore can prove to be important source of valuable information and knowledge, as well as vocabulary terms, and this vocabulary helps to write a clear multilingual business environment. Number 6. Practice. Learning new business terminology will not impact on communication skills until and unless these terms are used correctly in our daily communication. We must try to use as many relevant words as possible during conversations with colleagues and peers. Furthermore, recently learned business terminology should be used into the presentation so that we are able to gain confidence. Finally, we can practice our business language skills by writing business letters. So that's all about from me. Thanks everyone.